I'm here today to read aloud the respiratory system version of the quiz. Please put your email address, your first name, your last name, and your science period. Here we go. Question number 1. Of the options listed below, what is the purpose or role of the respiratory system? Is it provide shape and structure and support for the body, protect the body against harmful germs, or exchange gases between the body and environment? Question number 2. Which of the following is not an organ of the respiratory system? Small intestines, lungs, nose. Number 3. What is the path that oxygen takes as it enters the body? Is it lungs, windpipe, alveoli, nose? Nose, windpipe, lungs, alveoli? None of the above. Number 4. What large muscle controls your lungs? Is it bicep, heart, diaphragm? Number 5. When the diaphragm moves down, you breathe blank. When the diaphragm moves up, you breathe blank. Is it in, out in, or in deeper? Question number 6. Which part of the respiratory system has tiny hair-like objects that filter the air? It also warms and moistens the air. Is it lungs, alveoli, or nose? Question number 7. What tubes divide and connect your windpipe in your throat to your lungs? Is it the bronchial tubes, blood vessels, or lungs? Number 8. The largest organ in the respiratory system is the blank. This is where air is exchanged. Is it the heart, lungs, or nose? Question number 9. When you breathe in, blank enters the body. Oxygen, nitrogen, glucose. Question number 10. When you breathe out, carbon dioxide is released. True or false? Number 11. Air enters the body through the lungs. True, false? Enters the body. Number 12. Inside of the lungs, there are tiny air sacs shaped like balloons or a bundle of grapes that exchange gases between the lungs and blood vessels. These are called what? Stem cells, valves, alveoli. Number 13. Carbon dioxide is a waste product of the body. True or false? 14. Without oxygen, your body would not be able to produce blank, and cells would blank. Is it glucose, die, glucose, replicate, or energy, and die? The blue arrow is pointing to windpipe, trachea, or lungs. Question number 16. Which organ system does the respiratory system supply oxygen to so that it can be transported to cells? These two organ systems work together. Is it the respiratory system and the digestive system, respiratory system and the urinary system, or the respiratory system and the circulatory system? Question number 14 through 20 are diagram questions. So for question number 17, what is number 1 pointing to, which is this structure right here? Is it the alveoli, the windpipe, or the diaphragm? Question number 18. In the below image, what is number 11 pointing to? 11 is right here. Okay, write that structure right there. Is it the alveoli, the voice box, which is also known as the larynx, or the diaphragm? Question number 19. In the below image, what is number 5 pointing to? Number 5 is over here, okay, that cluster of grape-like structures. Is that the alveoli, the windpipe, which is also known as the trachea, or the bronchial tubes? And then question number 20. In the below image, what is number 9 pointing to? Number 9 is right here. So these little tubes right here, is that the alveoli, the bronchial tubes, or the diaphragm? So at this time, I have gone through all of your questions on your quiz, your 20 questions for the most part, multiple choice. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to your teacher. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you for listening.